coming. I'm trying for the very first time pumpkin spice latte. It's actually quite delicious. Marius, instead, he had something with
maple and salted caramel. I forgot the name, but it's really tasty.
I have to try it because I remember that
Okay, that's my coffee.
I was not a huge fan of maple cider. You don't want to share it?
I don't know, it's really good, so I might just keep it to myself.
Oh, okay. That's family. Husband. Yeah, so it's gonna be hopefully a nice walk. The weather is absolutely glorious, and we are working in our area.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Hello again. I changed into something more comfortable because we decided to go to Ikea. I don't like how they look together with my bracelets. Each time I'm wearing outfits which are not that casual. So for those outfits where I'm a little bit more dressy, I would say, I'm gonna change the bracelet, and I'm gonna wear this hat. I'm actually gonna wear this one all the time, and only when I'm wearing this type of sporty outfits or when I'm going in the gym, I'm gonna use this one. I bought this one from Amazon, and the price is just incredible. Only £10, so it was super nice. I'm just trying to see if you can see Marius behind myself. So we are going to Ikea because we want to have a look to see what's in the store these days. It's been so long since we haven't been there, and in the same time we are meeting our friends because they live in the area, so they said that they would love to join us. Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about your outfit?
This amazing blue t-shirt,
yeah,
with these amazing blue pants.
Navy blue, right?
Yeah, navy blue, with these black
amazing
socks.
Did you forget? Amazing socks.
Yeah, and the amazing slippers.
Wow.
They're not navy. Maybe
yeah,
navy
but he's gonna wear some navy trainers or not?
No, black.
No, black. Okay.
Black.
Trader. I feel sorry I have to remove this because I'm wearing it all the time. This is my favorite necklace from Pandora. I just adore it, and I can sleep with it. But now I don't know. I think I wanna be free of jewelries, if this is a nice way to say it. And we are on the way again. It's definitely not summer anymore. Just in case anyone is interested in how the weather is like in London these days. Yeah, today it's really windy. It's quite nice though, so hopefully we'll still have some sunny days. When we went in our long walk in Canary Wharf, we met with some of our friends, and we actually stayed out for a coffee with them, even though we didn't plan this in advance. It was like a random coffee date. Yeah, it was lovely. It was really lovely.
Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something
and we just arrived. You guys are ready? I don't know about them, but I'm getting excited. Andrea, she's on the same mood with me. I am not sure about the guys. I have the feeling that they will enjoy. Should we go over there, or can we get in through here? I have no idea. Wow, I'm feeling myself. We have the bag. Colin here is the one who's gonna carry it, and Andrea is the one who has the list already made. Yeah, we are ready for the new home. And in the meantime, you'll buy something for your home as well, right? Yes. Just in case you are wondering what this means, is the sign that we have to be chill and not spend too much money, or if we are asking Marius, not spend money at all. We're not spending any.
We don't.
We don't spend any money today, right?
No,
we are just checking out what's available in Ikea. So let's do this. We are buying a few stuff, but don't know yet.
They will.
In a bit. Do we need something?
3 for 2.
That's why we are buying stuff, yeah? They are cheap. Let's have a look at the candles. Only £1. I'm curious. Oh, it's not actually bad. I already have so many candles, so Maris will be like, oh, we don't need another one. Yeah? It's super fresh, this one. Oh yeah, and here is a little corner with the large size of the same candles. This one is £2. What did you find? Did you find something nice? You'd like one of those? It's actually nice, right? Oh, it's only £1,000.
1,000?
100. Sorry.
It's actually 150.
Oh, okay. So this is something. This is the sink. Yeah. Nice. Oh, I've never seen something like this, but I don't know if I would like it. But these are not too bad. I'm looking for something like this. This is £9, but I think I need another color. I don't like this one.
The fridge is nice. Double fridge.
Ooh. Okay. Can you open them both?
The one with the display.
Yeah.
But you can actually see inside.
Ah, yeah. Okay, not too bad. Do we have a price for this one?
I don't think this is for sale.
Ah, okay. These are actually quite nice. These are not too bad either. I can't see the prices though. Oh, we have another color, a different color. And one of these mirrors, round mirrors, I think I would actually love it. I don't know exactly where should this one go in our new home. So we are looking for different styles, and I think we kind of discover what we like. This is one of them. But of course, I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough space and everything we already have in the house, if they will match. This one is not gonna be, of course, it's way too big for us. I have my friends over, so we are doing cheers with a glass of real gin, and I have a selection of cheese here. It's delicious, yeah? You already tried it. Don't move it.
Sorry.
This is the bread. Yeah, really nice. Nice. We are taking it home. I think I also find the type of bathroom I would love to have. I'm not sure if it's too much, way too much, but it actually looks quite nice, I would say. Yeah, we finished, and look at them. Look what are they doing right now. Not guilty, just here in the queue, waiting to pick up the order. And here they are coming slowly. Someone is hungry. Hello. We were just having a look on the magazine. We were trying to find some inspo, but now that we have some delightful, what are these? Hot dogs. Do we have any ketchup and mayonnaise?
Yeah, you need to go there, and then you can push whatever you want.
Ah, okay. So there is no other option to bring some on the table? No. Okay. Look what my husband did for me, and the guys are refilling. Refill. Do we have any salt? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
So we are the launch of the Pharmacy Beauty in the UK, and look what we have here. So many amazing products. We already tested a couple, me and Andrada. I forgot to show that I met with her. And look what we have here. It's so pretty. And one of the things that I loved so much is basically how you can see all the ingredients, all the great ingredients that you can find in basically what we eat every day. So niacinamide in blueberries. We have vitamin E and retinol, and also vitamin C.
But then you rub it into the skin, like you rub it on dry skin, and then it turns into this like creamy formula.
Oh, nice.
And then it actually provides a little warming sensation. So you leave it on for 15 minutes, and then when you wipe it off, rinse it off, it's
We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah.
What do you want to do? You can do it, B. So this is the result, guys. This is my little heart, and this is Andrada's art. Oh. And we decided to put our initials on it as well. And this is this will be my gift for Andrada. Yes, thank you. We have a couple of products we are getting super excited about. This is the latest launch of the brand, and this is exclusively available at Space NK. This is a retinol. Let's see if it's gonna get focused. No, it's not getting focused. Okay, contains 1% vitamin A retinol serum, and this one should go in the evening. The recommendation is to apply it maybe twice a week initially. Then we have a mask, which myself and Andrada both are getting so excited about it, because look at this texture, looks so good. And also look at the ingredients. We have 10% niacinamide. And last but not least, the vitamin C. Both of these are available at Pharmacy Beauty, Space NK, Clinic. Yeah, that was the brand online. Hello. I might look like I'm a little bit angry, but I'm not. It's just because of the sun. We are doing something super excited today. I was meant to film this right before we left the home, but unfortunately we've been in a rush as always, and I didn't have the chance to do it while we were at home. Something exciting, as I said, is happening. We are seeing the house, our future house. It's getting sunnier for the very first time today. I'm gonna stay like this. It's gonna be a bit weird. It's just a sneak peek because they are basically still working on it, but it's gonna be ready soon, and hopefully we will be able to move as soon as possible. So fingers crossed everything goes well with the mortgage. Fingers crossed they will finish the house, finish building the house by the end of this year. Hopefully. The moving date should be December or early January. So I'm gonna try to film a little bit inside the house, so you'll have a sneak peek of what's meant to be our home.
Probably just gonna be really rough in there, right?
Yeah, but you will have an idea, and we will have an idea as well.
That we still